Buddy, imagine driving your car for years without realizing it has features that make life easier. Studies from popular auto magazines show most drivers only use 60% of their car's functions. The good news is, today you'll learn hidden gems that save time and money. Start by checking your manual for overlooked tricks. Stick around, because the next tip might surprise you more. Have you ever struggled to find your gas cap side at the pump? Most cars already solved that. Research from Car and Driver says almost all cars have a tiny arrow near the fuel icon showing which side your tank is on. The solution is simple. Just glance at the dashboard. Next time, no more awkward pulling up the wrong way. And wait until you hear the next feature that helps on hot days. Heat can make your car feel like an oven. Science proves cabin temperatures can rise 20 degrees in just 10 minutes. But buddy, many cars let you roll down all windows with your key fob. Press and hold unlock and feel the breeze before you even step inside. Test this out today. Motivation check, bro. Small discoveries like this remind us that knowledge makes life smoother. Up next, let's talk mirrors. Ever struggled with blind spots? Studies show blind spot accidents cause thousands of crashes yearly. Your car mirrors can minimize that if adjusted correctly. The trick is to angle them just enough so you barely see your car's edge. You'll cover more road and fewer surprises. Try it during your next ride. Coming next, a feature hidden in your rearview mirror. Night driving can be stressful with headlights blinding you. Many cars include a small switch or auto-dimming function on the rearview mirror. It reduces glare instantly. Just flip it or turn on auto mode. This little move can protect your eyes on long trips. Next segment, I'll reveal a setting that helps when parking tight spaces. Parking can be tricky, right, buddy? Here's the deal. Some cars tilt the side mirrors automatically when you shift into reverse. Research from Edmunds highlights this as a common hidden feature in modern vehicles. It shows you the curb or line better. If your car has it, turn it on in settings. And let me remind you, bro, every small tool is proof you're learning to master your ride. Next up, let's make your car findable in big parking lots. Ever lost your car at the mall? You're not alone. Surveys say 1 in 7 drivers forgets where they parked. Most key fobs have a panic button that flashes lights and beeps your horn. Use it to spot your ride fast. Just don't hold it too long or you'll scare people. Coming up, a hidden trick with your wipers. Rain suddenly hits and your wipers squeak annoyingly. Many cars allow you to raise the wipers into a service position. Auto forums explain it helps clean or replace blades easily. Usually it's activated with the ignition off and a quick wiper tap. Try it before your next wash, and wait until you hear the comfort hack inside your seats. Seats aren't just for sitting, buddy. Some cars hide storage under them or offer lumbar support switches that most drivers ignore. Studies show proper seat support reduces back pain by nearly 50% on long drives. Adjust yours and explore if it has hidden storage. Motivation time, my friend. Your comfort matters because a happy driver is a safer driver. Next up, let's cool your drinks. Ever wish for a car fridge? Many glove boxes connect to the AC system. Popular auto blogs mention these cool boxes as a secret perk. Put a water bottle inside during summer and thank your car later. Check for a small vent inside your glove box. Coming next, a setting that saves fuel automatically. Idling wastes gas. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, idling can burn half a gallon per hour. Many cars have auto start-stop to fix this. It shuts off the engine at red lights and restarts when you press the gas. It's fuel-saving magic, but you can turn it off if you dislike it. Ready for a feature that also protects your car? Let's go. Did you know most cars let you lock the windows and doors from the driver's side? Beyond safety, it keeps kids from mischief in the back. Car safety experts recommend always locking during city driving. It lowers theft risks. Just click that child lock or window lock button. Brother, remember, learning small steps like these builds your confidence as a driver. Next segment, let's beat foggy mornings. Foggy windows are the worst. Here's the science. Condensation forms when humid air meets cool glass. The quick solution is your defogger button. Rear defogger clears back glass with heating lines, while front uses AC to dry the air. Use them wisely instead of wiping with your hand. Up next, an audio feature many forget to try. Music makes trips better, right, buddy? Many steering wheels hide audio controls. Auto reviews report most drivers ignore them, reaching for the stereo instead. Using those buttons keeps your hands safer on the wheel. Next ride, test volume and track change from the wheel. And wait until I show you a feature that helps in emergencies. Flat tire on the road? Some cars come with tire pressure monitoring systems. Research shows low tire pressure is a leading cause of blowouts. Look for a dashboard warning shaped like a horseshoe with an exclamation point. If it lights, check your tires. Motivation check, bro. Just like life, prevention saves you from bigger problems later. Coming up, a feature that helps in steep hills. Hill starts can be scary. That's why many cars hide Hill Start Assist. It holds the brake for a few seconds while you move your foot to the gas. Auto experts note it prevents rolling back. Try it on an incline and you'll feel the support. Next, let's reveal a feature about your trunk. Hands full with groceries? Many cars have a trunk release button either on the key fob or hidden under the logo. Some even open with a foot wave if sensors exist. Always check around the emblem for the hidden button. Coming next, a light feature you'll love at night. Interior lights can be tricky, but many cars allow you to dim or brighten the dashboard with a hidden dial near the wheel. Autoblogs say drivers often overlook this. Adjusting brightness reduces eye strain during long night drives. Brother, don't forget, paying attention to details makes every journey more enjoyable. Next up, we'll talk cup holders and storage hacks. Cup holders are everywhere, but some cars hide them in armrests or behind panels. Storage slots can surprise you too, like hidden compartments near the trunk floor. Explore your car and you'll be amazed. Knowing where things are gives you peace of mind. Coming next, let's wrap this up with a final reminder. Buddy, today you discovered hidden car features that make driving smarter, safer, and more fun. From mirrors to secret coolers, every tip helps you get more from your car. Like, share, and comment your own discoveries below. And remember, always consult a medical professional if you have health conditions before making changes that affect driving comfort. Safe travels, brother.